I have a problem, and if you're like me, the more tools you get, the harder it is to organize everything effectively. For bigger tools, I prefer using modular toolboxes, like Packout. But what about smaller items, or tools that you want quick access to? Then, it's time to think outside the box. If your first thought is pegboard, French cleat, or some other type of tool wall, stay tuned for my latest creation. What's up, guys? Jake here. Welcome to part one of documenting my tool organization journey. Today, I want to introduce you to the Waihi Wall. The Waihi Wall is an evolution of my 3D printed organizer system called the Handler. It attaches to several toolbox brands and enables you to create a customized workspace wherever you and your mobile toolboxes go. As much as I like Packout, they're a bit bulky for my day-to-day. I don't use larger tools like a bandsaw every day, but whether I'm working in my printer room, filming studio, or garage, I usually need quick access to a few hand tools. So a modular tool setup that is smaller than a French cleat wall and more convenient than a pegboard is my dream come true. Let's take a closer look at some of the products I sell on waihidesigns.com. First up, the backbone of every Waihi wall, the wall mount. It has two mounting holes, is 10 inches long, and has 5 slots for all other handler accessories. The interlocking system was inspired by French cleat, but it's on a smaller scale, so items can be switched out fast and easy. Although the wall mount works great with smaller items, it also can accommodate larger accessories, like the tool tray. A few of the larger handler accessories are the tray, tool tray, and this new item I've been prototyping, the tool rail. These accessories are great for different types of hand tools like pliers, screwdrivers, and other utensils. The 4-inch cup has been optimized for spray paint cans, but it also fits water bottles, caulk tubes, and more. If you need a bit more storage, the XL cup that I'm currently prototyping accommodates a range of larger water bottles, like Packout tumblers, Yetis, and more. Another feature of the XL cup is that it can turn any cup into a Packout one. There's an integrated foot in the bottom, and it can slide into the lid of any box. I currently make 2 sizes of bins, small and medium. They're great for storing a small number of fasteners or miscellaneous items. But for larger fasteners, I created the Packout bin holder. The red Packout bins can now go straight from your organizer to the wall. If you're like me, my phone can be very distracting, so set it aside in a safe place using the phone holder. For more details on these handler items, including the bit holder, hooks, and other accessories, make sure to check out some of my previous videos. If you're interested in creating your own Waihi wall, I'll link my website right below the like button. And as always, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos for this tool organization series, as well as other 3D printing and tool content. See ya!